What is going on, beautiful people? It is your boy Kino once again with another video, and we're going to be doing cleaning of the leather and the vinyl. All the products we're going to be using is from Chemical Guys. Here, these aren't from Chemical Guys though, but those are our detail brushes. We can agitate the surface and get to those harder reaches. Here is our leather cleaning. It is odorless and colorless, pH balanced, so you ain't got to worry about it if it gets into the cracks. Here is the lotion for your skin. Well, leather is skin off an animal, so we got to make sure we're not out here looking like Ashley Larry. Alright, then we have our nonsense. This is a multi-purpose cleaner. Definitely need to get more of this. You can see that I have less than half of a bottle left, so yeah, need to go grab me some more. Then we have our premium grade microfiber applicators where we apply our leather conditioner and make sure that leather is looking nice and shiny. Talking about shine, we also have Chemical Guys Silk Shine Dressing. Alright, so it's sprayable, 100% dry to the touch, and it also has a new car scent. Also protects from the sun and all that, so yeah, man, let's get to this video. Whew. Never thought that I would be in this position, daydreaming of love and lips that I miss kissing. Am I tripping, slacking on my pimping? Do I try again? No, the feelings I get the kicking. To the curb like Bruce Lee, elbows and high knees, two emotions grinding out. They asking who's he? It's me, Kino, B.I.G. Missing your love and soft touch higher than high key. No, used to call me Anthony, now just pics on FB, blocked to unblocked on IG. Sheesh. Tell me what's the deal. Tell me.
Purchase your tracks today.
Kino did it.
Alright, so here we are towards the end of the video. Hope you guys liked the video and enjoyed it. If you guys don't mind, go ahead and press that subscribe button, like, and go ahead and press that bell so you are alerted on the next video I'll put out. So, yep, like, share, comment, all that, and yeah, hope to see you guys on the next video. Kino out. Yay!